how to get Fanduel authentication code. So here's how it works. On the official website, it says two-factor authentication, and you have the different setup methods here for the different apps. So how does it work? Once you have two-factor authentication turned on, you will need to log into your account with your email and password as you would normally. But how do we get the authentication code? Then you will be asked to provide a unique 6-digit code using an authenticator app on your phone or send via SMS. So depending on which one you have set up, you will either need to check your messages on your phone. So you just go to messages and you will find a 6-digit code which you need to provide here. Or if you use the authentication app, then you will need to just open up the app and confirm the login. So here it's going to tell us that two-factor authentication can be found in your account under account summary for sportsbook and account settings for fantasy. You can then choose your preferred type of verification, authentication app or SMS, and step-by-step directions in the app will then guide you through the process. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and a sub. I'll see you next time.